Hello, I'm El Kevin Christian Ruiz and I am happy about the opportunity to teach English in Taiwan. I am a licensed teacher since 2014 and I have over 4 years of teaching experience in a formal classroom setting and 2 years as an online English teacher. I've had the chance to work with diverse students and develop effective, engaging teaching methods. Now, I'm excited to bring my experience to Taiwan. Why Taiwan? In my opinion, Taiwan is one of the best countries to teach English. Not only it is home to some of the most friendly and welcoming people, but Taiwan also has a high value on education and a strong commitment to developing students' English skills, making Taiwan a bilingual country. In my classroom, you can expect a fun, interactive, and supportive learning environment. I believe in making lessons engaging, whether through hands-on activities, real-life conversations, or fostering a growth mindset. My goal is to ensure students feel confident and excited about their progress in learning English. I'm really looking forward to becoming part of Taiwan's educational community. I hope to see you next time. Shishi! Bye-bye!